Hello children, in this video we are going to learn social studies. Lesson 12 topic is season. Lesson 12 topic season. Let's see. Lesson 12 the topic is season. Okay. Now here they given on picture. By seeing the picture, what season it is? The girl is carrying umbrella. The boy is wearing gumboots, raincoats, cap and everything. Okay. Now here they given one sentence. Let's read. Look at the picture. Write the missing letters. Okay. Now picture is given here and the missing letters also given. By reading this, seeing the picture, you have to fill the missing letters. First question. It is R dash I dash and G. It is what it is. See here the drops. It is raining. What's the spelling for raining? R is here. A. I is here. N. I. N. G. Raining. What's the spelling for raining? R. A. I. N. I. N. G. Raining. The second question. The girl is holding and dash. What the girl is holding? What is this? What is the name? Yes, umbrella. What's the spelling for umbrella? U. What letter is missing here? M. B. R. A. L. L. A. Umbrella. Okay. Next question. The boy is wearing a dash. What the boy is wearing? What this is? It's a raincoat. It protects us from the weight. Okay. R-A-I-N. Raincoat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Raincoat. Understand, children? Now we'll get into the lesson. By reading line by line, I'm going to explain you, so that you also will know to read the words. Okay. There are 3 main seasons. How many main seasons? 3 main seasons. Summer, winter and monsoon. These are the 3 main seasons. Summer, winter and monsoon. Monsoon means rainy season. Then spring and autumn are the 2 more seasons. Okay, before summer and before winter this will come, autumn and the spring. Here first main season is summer. What is the spelling for summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. In summer full area will be too hot. Okay, always we want to make us cool, so we'll be using a air cooler or air conditioner, AC, this, and want to have a cool drinks like that. Okay, what is given in the lesson? It is very hot in summer. Hot winds blow. Hot winds blow means சூடான காத்து. Okay, வீசும். The sun shines brightly. Summer, the daytime will be long and the night time will be short. Okay, till the 7 o'clock it will be bright. Then late night and morning, early itself the sun will rise. We do not like to go out because it's too hot. Don't want to go out in the sun. We wear cotton clothes. Why we have to wear cotton clothes is it absorb the sweat and may keep us cool also. Cotton clothes also we have to wear a light colors dresses. In summer we have to wear light color dress and the cotton clothes. We have cool drinks. See here the girl sitting near the air cooler drinking cool drinks. See the sun, how bright it shines. Okay, then next you see, sometimes we have ice cream. We use fans, coolers and air conditioner to keep ourselves cool. In summer if you ask ice cream and this thing, your parents will buy and keep. But in the rainy season or the winter season when it is cold, if you ask, they will not listen to your word, they will not buy and give. Why? You'll get a fever, cold or cough. Okay, in summer to keep us warm and we want to keep us cool ourselves, we'll drink a cool drinks and we'll have a ice cream. We'll sit in the air cooler and we'll use the air conditioner. Next season, see, winter. The main 3 seasons, one we saw summer, the other one is winter. What is the spelling for winter? W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Okay, now by seeing this itself we can guess it. See outside it the winter, but our place we are not getting a snowfalls and all. But in the abroad like London, Canada, America, and here in our India, the Himalayas, there and all, they'll get a snowfalls. But even though in winter in our place we'll feel little cool, that time we'll wear a sweater to keep us warm, like a cap and the muffler. Okay, now we'll see in the book. It is very cold in winter. It is very cold in winter. Cold wind blows. The cold wind blows. Now we have a cyclone. Okay, now the 2 days we are getting rains. The cold wind is blowing, so we could not open the window also. It snows in some places. See, it's given, no? It snows in some place. In some place only snowfalls will get. And we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. What are the woolen clothes? Like muffler, sweater, socks, woolen socks, woolen cap. Okay, like this they'll wear woolen clothes and they'll protect themselves to keep warm. We wear woolen clothes. We like to have hot drinks. Why in the summer, winter time they like to have hot drinks? Why no eating ice creams and the cool drinks? Already the place is cold. If we drink cold means we'll feel shivering or we'll be freeze. So that only in winter they will have a hot drinks. Okay, see the girl is having hot drinks. See here the man is having his hot soup, drinking hot drinks. They are protecting themselves in the winter. People light fires or use heater to keep themselves warm. Okay children, look at this picture. I love the rain. Do you? Yes, everyone loves the rains, but our parents will not allow to go into the rain. Okay, go out the rainy season. Now it's rainy season in our place. Yes. Here we'll come to what is given. Monsoon means already I told it's a rainy season. During the monsoon season, it rains heavily. Now we have got heavy rains, everywhere water, and we could not go out itself. Sometimes there are strong winds when it rains. Yes, the 2 days we are getting strong winds. We wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella. See here, the girl is wearing raincoat and the father is carrying an umbrella. When we go out in the rain, It is fun to sail paper boat. Nowadays the children are not at all coming out of the house because everywhere sickness, so they will not play with the paper boat and all. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. I don't know how many have seen the rainbow, but many places after rain, if we come out of the house only, we can see the rainbow. After a heavy rain, we can see the rainbow. The main three seasons we studied, okay, summer, winter and the monsoon. Now the other two seasons, spring and the autumn. Spring comes after winter. After winter, what season comes? Spring. And before summer, it is neither hot nor cold. Winter season ko summer season ko nadula hot or irukadu cold or irukadu or mari climate irukum. Adha spring. Okay, in this season flowers blooms in spring. Flowers all bloom in the spring. Next, autumn comes after monsoon. Now is monsoon, no, before winter and the rainy season, autumn will come, monsoon. And before winter, many trees shed their leaves in autumn. Before winter and after rainy season, between autumn will come, the leaves all will fall down. This is the autumn season. See here the children, the flowers are blooming. See, they're playing. It's a spring at last. Okay, it is a happy season. The 5 seasons we studied are summer, winter, monsoon, the main season, and the others 2 season is spring and autumn. In spring, flowers are bloom. Flowers na பூலா நல்லா பூக்கும். In autumn la வந்து மரத்துல இருக்கிற இலையெல்லாம் கொட்டாதான். Many trees shed their leaves in autumn. Okay, that's all children. In this book exercise, this lesson book exercise, I'll teach you in the Zoom class. Thank you children.